Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to tighten barbed wire fence using a come along cable puller. No, it's not difficult, it's so quick and easy, but it just requires a bit of knowledge, because without this knowledge that I'm going to share with you today on how to operate this cable puller, it's gonna be a very difficult task for you to get out. Now just wait and see how efficient is this tool and how powerful is it. Just wait a bit and look at that point. Look at that point. Yeah, I think it's very clear. Now look at that point. Yeah, I think you can see that the wire has been stretched in seconds. And now we are done fencing our garden. This is how it looks.